Hello everyone, here's a small video to give an idea about the basics in Varma therapy. Varma Kalai is an ancient traditional art originated in South India thousands of years ago. Varma Kalai is practiced by the Siddhas for many years and is practiced even now. There are two branches in Varma, the defense Varma, which is the Por Varmam, also known as Adimurai, and the second one is the medical Varma. Medical Varma deals with the treatment of diseases by activating the energy points in our body. There are 108 Varma points in our body, and for each disease, specific set of points are identified. Gentle pressure is given at the specific points and a defined pattern of massage is done to help in the healing. What causes a disease or a problem in our organs? Let us see the Siddha view. Varmam means energy. The vital energy that is flowing in our body is called the prana or pranan in Tamil. This pranan flows in our body through hidden channels called the nadi. According to the Siddha principle of medicine, if there is a block in the flow of pranan, or if the flow of pranan in our body becomes irregular, that results in a disease or that causes a problem in our body. This is the basis behind the Siddha principle of medicine. As we all know, the nerves conduct nerve impulses to and from the brain for proper functioning of our body system. Similar to the nerves, there are hidden channels in our body which conduct the pranan to all parts of our body. Those unseen hidden channels through which the life energy, the pranan flows, are called the nadis. To explain in a simple way how nadis work, let's see an example. We all use electrical appliances at home. Usually, the electrical wires which carry the electrical energy are concealed and hidden. We switch on the switch and we see the light glow. It is because electrical energy is conducted to the light through the wires. If there is a problem in the wire or it is blocked or damaged, the light will not glow. To correct this problem, we will saturate the wire. We will correct the problem in the pathway, and this results in solving the problem. The same principle is used behind the Eastern medicine too. According to it, if an organ in our body has a problem, then the energy channel, the energy pathway which is carrying the energy to the organ is given the focus. The nadi and the energy points which carries energy to the organ is set right by a gentle massage which helps in clearing the blocks in the energy pathway, and this results in the healing. This is the principle behind Eastern medicine, the Siddha medicine and the Varma. How does Varma therapy help? For every disease, the therapist identifies a specific set of Varma points. Those points are massaged and activated with gentle pressure, which results in removal of blocks in the energy flow to the organ. When the energy flow is getting balanced, healing happens. For children with learning difficulties, Varma therapy helps in balancing the energy flow in the brain and central nervous system. This helps in creating healthy neural circuits and strengthens the neural pathways for information processing. Varma therapy is a safe, holistic healing method done with our hands, and it needs no extra tools. This therapy is done for a period of say 3 months to 1 year on a regular basis for better results. Let us see the benefits of Varma therapy. Varma therapy is a supplementary therapy which soothes and calms down the person by regulating the flow of prana in our body. It regulates and saturates the irregularities in the energy flow. It helps to calm down the person, bringing down their anxiety and stress levels. It also improves the sleep pattern. It balances the energy flow in the brain and helps in creating healthier neural pathways and networks. Hope this video helped in gaining an idea about the basics of Varma therapy. Thank you.